This is an assembly file from CATIA. It points to multiple .CATPart files to build a machine. You can view the full assembly using the free Globius viewer. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Here is the tool. I call this the last resort solution for those CATPRODUCT files that seem completely unopenable. We'll explore that powerful alternative if the standard procedures fail. A CATPRODUCT file is an assembly file created by CATIA, a leading 3D CAD software suite. It contains the structure and relationships of multiple parts, CATPart files, within an assembly. This file doesn't store the 3D geometry directly, but references the individual part files, defining their positions and constraints within the overall assembly. CATPRODUCT files are essential for managing complex product designs in CATIA. CATPRODUCT files adhere to CATIA's proprietary file format, which includes information about the assembly's structure, component placement, and constraints. The file format is optimized for efficient loading and manipulation of large assemblies within the CATIA environment. Changes to individual CATPart files are reflected in the assembly when the CATPRODUCT file is opened or updated. For full editing functionality, CATPRODUCT requires CATIA, which is supplied by Dassault Systèmes. Proper interaction and modification must be done through a dedicated utility for stability. Windows may show only thumbnails or metadata, so full inspection must occur in compatible CAD software. We are testing every application for file recognition. Right-click your CATPRODUCT file and choose Open With. Test CATIA first. If it fails, select another application. The right reader is in there somewhere. If you still cannot open your CATPRODUCT file, that is okay. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, use CATIA. Open the file using Dassault Systèmes CATIA, the required application for the assembly file. Next, check part reference. Ensure all associated CATPart files referenced by the assembly are present in the correct path. Finally, use Viewer. If the program is unavailable, use the free CATIA Composer Player or eDrawings Viewer with the CATIA add-in. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.